Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix AirDrop not working on your MacBook. If you have been struggling to send files between your Mac and iPhone, don't worry. I have got some quick and effective solution to fix this issue. Let's jump right into it. Solution 1. Turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. AirDrop only works if Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are enabled. Even if you are not connected to internet. On your Mac, open System Settings. Go to Wi-Fi and make sure it's turned on. Then go to Bluetooth and turn that on too. On your iPhone, open Settings app. Make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are enabled. Solution 2. Make yourself discoverable. If your device isn't visible to others, AirDrop wouldn't work. On your Mac, open Finder. Click AirDrop in the sidebar menu. At the bottom, set Allow me to discoverable by to everyone or contacts only. On your iPhone, go to Settings app. Then tap on General. Then tap on AirDrop. Choose everyone for 10 minutes. This usually works best. Solution 3. Restart your Mac. Sometimes a simple restart can fix the issue. Click the Apple logo in the top left corner. Select Restart in the drop-down menu. Confirm by clicking Restart again. Once your MacBook restart, try AirDrop again and see if the problem is solved. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorial and Mac tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.